Congratulations on your recent Kuat product purchase. We are stoked you're part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your Transfer V2. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. This video shows the process of assembling the Transfer 2 V2. The assembly of the Transfer 1 and 3 V2 are the same. To assist the assembly process, install the lower end shank into your vehicle hitch. Remove clear plastic wrap to engage foot pivot tension. Mount the bare U-body onto the lower end shank. Attach the U-body using the provided pivot bolt, pivot washers, pivot nut, 8mm hex key, 13mm hex wrench. Slide the front tire cradle onto the left or driver's side fork. Using 5mm hex key, install locator bolt through mounting location. Slide rear tire cradle into position opposite the front tire cradle. Use the 5mm hex key to secure the rear tire cradle with a M6x85 bolt and spacer. Locate the 3 holes on the U-body next to the front tire cradle. Slide arm puck into position over holes. Secure with 5mm hex key and 2 M6x65 bolts. Locate the ratchet ladder and tire hook. Push the button on the handle and slide the hook up the ratchet ladder from the bottom. Locate the ratchet hinge. Insert the ratchet ladder into the ratchet hinge. Using the 5mm hex key, secure the 2 M6x60 flathead bolts and 2 M6 nuts. Slide the tire hook arm assembly onto the previously placed arm puck and install with M6x90 bolt and plate. On the opposite fork, repeat steps for the front cradle, rear tire cradle, arm puck, and outer tire hook. Thread tire straps through both ratchets. Open side should face end caps. Install locking end cap into the driver's side fork using M3 hex key and M4x12 flathead. Install non-locking end cap into the passenger side fork using M3 hex key and M4x12 flathead. With the rack inserted into the hitch, insert hitch pin, secure with cotter pin. Secure transfer in hitch by tightening the flat lock hitch cam using your provided 8mm security Allen wrench. Push safety latch upward, then push foot lever down to fold transfer up and down. If you have any questions while assembling this product, reach out to our customer service team at info@kuat.com and be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.